Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the art of creating compelling Facebook ads through effective ad creative and copywriting. I'm Mohammed, and by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the skills to craft ads that captivate your audience. Let's jump in. First things first, why is ad creative and copywriting so crucial? Well, your ad's visual elements and the words you choose play a pivotal role in grabbing attention, conveying your message, and inspiring action. Let's explore how to make your ad stand out. Visual elements are the first thing your audience notices. From eye-catching images to engaging videos, your ad creative sets the tone. Let's head over to the computer for a live demonstration. Here in the ad creation section, we have the option to add visually appealing elements. I'll upload a striking image that aligns with our brand and message. Remember, visuals should be attention-grabbing and relevant to your audience. Discover Canva, a platform we can leverage to design creative posts and ads. For video ads, turn to invideo.io for captivating crafting video content. Explore thousands of templates that you can easily customize. Additionally, these websites offer user-friendly tools for creating visually appealing posts. Now let's talk about the words, the ad copy. This is your chance to communicate your value proposition, highlight benefits, and create a sense of urgency. Let's craft an impactful ad copy together. Meet ChatGPT, the language model that's about to take your ad copy to the next level. With its natural language generation capabilities, you can create personalized and compelling ad content effortlessly. Here I'll write a concise and persuasive ad copy. It's important to be clear, compelling, and to include a call to action that prompts your audience to take the desired action, whether it's making a purchase, signing up, or visiting your website. To ensure your ad resonates with your audience, A/B testing is crucial. This involves experimenting with different visuals, copy, and other elements to identify what works best. Let's explore how to set up A/B tests. Here in Ads Manager, we can set up A/B tests to compare different ad variations. This helps us understand what elements are most effective in capturing our audience's attention and driving desired actions. And there you have it. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.